Nowadays, we struggle with coronavirus in the world. We hope and believe that we will overcome this disease altogether.
Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with must or mustn't. We must wash our hands.
In affected areas, we mustn't contact with live animals.
When we cough or sneeze, we must cover our mouth and nose with a tissue.
We must wear a mask.
We mustn't travel with sick animals.
If we have fever, cough and difficulty breathing, we must see a doctor.
We must eat uncooked animal products.
We must stay at home for 14 days if we have returned from an infected area.
We mustn't eat well-cooked food.
We must stay healthy while traveling.
Put the words in the correct order. We must wash our hands.
We mustn't eat raw meat.
There must be at least 1 meter distance between us and the coughing people.
We mustn't touch the sneezing people.
We must listen to the local authorities. Answer the following questions.
Must we keep our masks clean? Yes, we must.
What must we do to keep our hands clean? We must often clean them.
How much distance must there be between us and the coughing people? 1 meter, at least.
Must we eat well-cooked or uncooked meat? We must eat well-cooked meat.
Must we touch animals in infected areas? No, we mustn't. Read the sentences and write true or false.
World Health Organization, WHO, recommends some precautions. Read the following sentences and write true or false.
You must wash your hands often with soap and water or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. True.
You mustn't cover your mouth and nose with your elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. False.
You must avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth if your hands aren't clean. True.
You mustn't avoid close contact with sick people. False.
You must clean surfaces you often touch. True.
You mustn't stay home from work, school and public areas if you're sick. False.
Respond to the situations with must or mustn't. Okay. But first we must wash our hands.
No, never. You mustn't give up.
Yes, we must do exercise for a healthy life.
No, you mustn't go to bed late. Sleeping is so important.
First of all, we must drink enough water every day.
You mustn't touch your face, eyes and nose.
Yes, we must use it to keep surfaces in our home clean.
Yes, but we mustn't panic.
Please visit and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exercises and subject explanations.